Huwag mo akong ginagawa na dito, Mr. Rafael. Wala ka pa sa company, eh, sinungaling ka na. Good evening, Mr. Rafael. So you were applying for the position for the social media manager, right?
Yes po.
Do you have any experience before us?
Actually, I've been a content creator po for quite some time. And then this time po, I just want to take my talents to a higher level po. That's why I applied for this job.
It's okay, AC. Are you ready for the multi-billionaire question?
Yes po, you can proceed na po.
Okay. So, why should we hire?
Ito po, naglalagyan po ulit po yun.
Okay, the question is basic. Why should we hire you?
Wait lang po. Can you repeat the question po again? Sorry, I'm kind of nervous.
This is on winning so.
Mr. Rafael, this is the third time and hindi siya maganda for someone na nag-apply. Again, the question is, why should we hire you? What took you so long?
Sorry po, medyo naglalag din po kasi internet. Pero anyways po, you should hire me because my proven track record in social media marketing or management perfectly align with your company's growth
This is-
goals.
Mr. Rafael, hindi
yes
ako
po.
pinag-uwian.
Ay, hindi po.
Huwag mo akong ginagawa na dito, Mr. Rafael. Wala ka pa sa company, eh, sinungaling ka na. Nagre-reply yung AI sa salamin mo.
Ay.
Halatang nagbabasa ka.